Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to send Amazon gift card to another country. So guys, go to amazon.com website and search for gift card. For example, you want to send this gift card to another country. What you have to do guys, just click buy now or add to cart. And after that guys, write to email recipient, email you person to send from another country. You write your email, for example, this is my email. And after that, guys, what you have to do, write your email as you can see here on the screen. And after that, guys, choose your name and write gift message and write the quantity and write the date, delivery date, for example, 10 December 2024. And what you have to do, guys, just click add to cart or buy now and choose the color, for example, and just add payment method, and you will ship it another country easily without any problem. So guys, I hope this video for you, and don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content.